In this video tutorial, we will look at how to plot charts with one or two axes using continuous as well as discrete variables. Let's open the Level 1 database. To create a chart in CES EduPack, we start by using the Chart Select function. We can see in the first stage, Selection Data, that Level 1 is selected, and Material Universe, All Materials, is selected from the drop-down menu by default. In the second stage, Selection Stages, we will take a look at the chart selection. We can either create a bar chart with one axis, a bubble chart with two axes, or a table chart with only discrete data. Let's click on Chart to create a chart stage. A window appears with three sections: Axis Property Definitions, Axis Settings, and Parameters. The Axis Property Definition enables us to choose which property category and attribute to plot, and from here we can create advanced charts covered in later video tutorials. Axis Settings let us change the axis title, choose the scale between logarithmic and linear, and control the range displayed. Parameters concerns temperature-dependent properties in advanced databases. The Axis tabs are available at the top here, and we can switch between the X and Y axis. Let's create a bar chart with one axis, with a property that has numerical values. On the Y-axis, let's plot yield strength by opening the Attribute drop-down menu and finding Yield Strength. The axis settings automatically get displayed here when we select an attribute. If you're happy with the properties, press OK. This has plotted a bar chart of yield strength and has ordered the bars from high to low strength materials. The length of each bar represents the range in yield strength quoted for each material. Now, to plot a bubble chart, we need to use two axes, both with properties that have range or continuous values. We can choose now to edit the existing chart or to create a new one. To edit the existing chart, we can add an x-axis to this bar chart by double-clicking on the current axes labels. Alternatively, we can open Chart Settings and go to the X-axis tab. We can see that when we edit existing charts, there is an additional tab titled Stage Settings, which will be introduced in the next video tutorial. We are now going to create a new chart. Note that when we make a new chart stage, it will be affected by any previous selection stages. Click on Chart and first choose an attribute to plot on the Y-axis. This time, we'll choose Young's Modulus. Now, click on the X-axis tab and we'll choose Density. Press OK. This gives us a bubble chart showing the Young's Modulus and material density for different materials. Each bubble corresponds to one material's data ranges. The list of materials are displayed in Stage 3, the results, with selection options available in the drop-down lists. We can see both the stages we have made here and a pass-fail table. There's one more chart we can look at in this tutorial, and that is the table chart. Table charts are created by using discrete variables on both axes. Let's make another chart and select two discrete values. On the Y-axis, we can plot electrical conductor or insulator, and on the X-axis, let's plot recycle. The result is a table with columns and rows for each discrete dataset. Note that we can copy and paste these charts into other programs to use for educational purposes. To do so, simply right-click, choose Copy and Paste Special to find device-independent bitmap for a good quality image. In the following video tutorials, we will learn how to format and customize our charts, as well as use the limit and tree stages available in CES EduPack.